So, we have two posters. Here is the directions for the origami dog. And here are the directions for the origami cat. Now, they are both the same steps. We do the exact same thing, but depending on which direction you turn it will make a cat or a dog. So we're going to use a square piece of paper with our origami. So I'm going to show you here so we do not have to get all close together. So the first step on our square paper is to fold it from corner to corner. Now normally when we fold things, we fold from side to side, right? And we make a card. And then from a square, we make what shape? A rectangle, right? But today, we're not doing that. Today, we're going to take our square and we're going to fold it from corner to corner. Get our corners to line up. So I want you to be very careful. We don't want this. Do you see that?
It looks like two mountains.
Two mountains. We don't want two mountains. We want our mountains to combine.
It looks like one small mountain and one big one.
Okay, so we want our mountains to connect. We want to get our corners to meet as close as possible. We also don't want this. Do you see that?
Yeah,
Here's my corner.
Yeah. It looks like it's a little mountain.
A smaller mountain. Yeah, we don't want that either. So we're going to get our corners to line up. And once we get our corners to line up, what I like to do is I like to take one hand and hold the corners. So this hand's going to hold the corners. And do you see I have a tunnel? My other hand is going to press it down. It's going to squish it.
Kind of like you're squishing a ball.
Now what shape do I have?
Rectangle. Triangle.
What shape is it?
Triangle.
A triangle.
Rectangle.
This is my triangle. Now,
I'm so used to rectangle.
the next step, this one's kind of tricky. I'm going to turn my mountain so it's pointing at my belly like an arrow. Does everybody see that?
It's like a bow and arrow.
It's flat here, but the arrow is pointing at my belly. Okay? So now, we're going to go across here. This is flat, this is straight. I'm going to put my finger in the middle. Not over here, not on this side, right in the middle at the top.
And I'm at the edge.
This is my stopper. So everybody listen, this is going to stop my paper. So now I'm going to take my fingers, my pinchers, and I'm going to pinch them right here. And I'm going to pull this corner to my belly. So watch. See my finger? It's stopping the paper. If I didn't have my finger there, look, oh, I could keep going and going and going, and then my paper would flip over. So I'm going to put my finger there as a stopper right above the point that's pointing at my belly. I'm going to pinch it, and I'm going to pull, 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 pull until, so now my finger stops it, and I want you to look here now. How many points do I have at my belly? Do you see that? So now I have a triangle right here on the table, a mountain right there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to press it down. And now I have 1, 2 arrows at my belly. So now I'm going to go back to the top, right here where my finger was before. This is my stopper. I'm going to put it right there. I'm going to pinch the corner. And I'm going to pull it down towards my belly. See that? And my finger, look at that. My finger is my stopper, right? And I'm going to point it, look here. I have it pointing at my belly. Do you see that, Charlie? Look at the TV. It's pointing at my belly. And then I'm going to press it down. Now, from where you're sitting, it looks like 3 mountains, doesn't it? Okay. Now, right now, these are my ears for my dog. But now, do dogs normally have pointy chins?
No.
So what I'm going to do at the bottom is I'm going to take this little sharp point and I'm going to fold it up. And this is my dog head. Does everybody see the head?
Yeah.
All right, so now, if I flip this, watch how I flip it.
Looks like a cat.
That is my cat head now. So watch again. No, but do you see the two ears now are pointing up? So now I'm going to flip it again. Watch carefully.
Whoa.
There's my dog. And watch again. There's my cat. All right? So now I'm going to draw the cat face now.
That's cool.
And then if you wanted to add eyelashes, you could.
The other eye and the eyeball. That's a nose. That's a nose.
Okay, and then the mouth.
There's some whiskers.
Oh yeah, we gotta add the whiskers. I'm gonna have his tongue sticking out. And then I'm gonna do some dots right here, because we usually see some dots.
The whiskers are gonna be pointing at them. You know, dogs have whiskers.
They do.
Yeah. Tigers also do. Lions do. A lot of ones. Panthers do. Eagles actually do.
All right, so now
Eyebrows.
if we flip it over, we can draw the dog eyes. We're going to lift up his ears a little bit. So now, when I see you on Thursday, I'm going to show you one more time. We're going to do it together. And then I'm going to have you try it on your own, and you will get to pick the best one. The best one will stay here. The one that's not the best will get to go home right away. Okay, we got to keep one here because we're going to turn it into a cat or a dog, and we're going to draw the body for those animals. Say that again.
The worst one will go home.
The worst one will go home. The best one will stay. Okay? So